Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about daily routine.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, let's start. Sophia, how are you today?
I am doing very well, Ryan. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I am doing great. I am very excited about today's topic.
Me too. Daily routine is a very important topic for English beginners.
That is true. Everyone has a daily routine.
Exactly. We do many things every single day.
Yes, we do them from morning until night.
So, Ryan, let's explain the words daily routine first.
Great idea. Daily means every day.
And routine means the things we do regularly, in the same order.
Perfect. So, daily routine is what you do every day.
Yes, it is like a habit.
Let's ask our listeners a quick question first.
Good idea. Think about your day, everyone.
What is the first thing you do every day?
We will talk about that right now.
So, Sophia, tell me about your daily routine.
Well, my daily routine starts very early.
Oh, really? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning.
Wow, 6 a.m. is very early.
Yes, it is. But I like the morning. It is very quiet.
That sounds peaceful. I do not wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you wake up, Ryan?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
That is a good time, too.
Yes, I like to sleep a little more.
That is fine. Everyone is different.
After you wake up, what do you do?
First, I get out of bed.
Okay, do you make your bed?
Yes, I do. I make my bed every morning.
That is a very good habit.
Thank you. I think it helps me start a good day.
I agree. I make my bed too.
That is great. What do you do after that?
I go to the bathroom and I wash my face.
Me too. I wash my face with cold water.
Oh, cold water? Why cold water?
Because it helps me feel awake.
That makes sense. I use warm water.
Warm water is nice too. Do you brush your teeth then?
Yes, I always brush my teeth in the morning.
Me too. Brushing teeth is very important for our health.
Definitely. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
That is the perfect time.
After that, I go to the kitchen.
Oh, do you drink water or coffee?
I drink a big glass of water first.
That is very healthy. Water is good for your body in the morning.
Yes, my body feels thirsty after sleeping.
I understand. I drink water too, but then I make coffee.
Ah, coffee. Do you love coffee?
Yes, I love coffee so much. I drink 1 cup of hot coffee every day.
That sounds nice. Do you put sugar in your coffee?
No, I drink black coffee. No sugar, no milk.
Wow, you like it strong.
Yes, I do. What about you, Ryan? Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea. I drink green tea in the morning.
Green tea is very good for you.
Yes, it is light and nice.
Do you eat breakfast with your tea?
Yes, I do. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
That sounds delicious. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That is a classic breakfast. How do you cook your eggs?
I fry them. Fried eggs are very fast to make.
That is true. Fast is good in the morning.
What do you eat for breakfast, Sophia?
I usually eat oatmeal with fruit.
Oatmeal. What kind of fruit do you add?
I like to add bananas and strawberries.
Oh, that sounds very sweet and tasty.
It is, and it gives me a lot of energy.
Energy is important for the daily routine.
Yes, after breakfast, I get dressed.
What kind of clothes do you wear?
I work from home, so I wear comfortable clothes.
That sounds wonderful. Working from home is nice.
Yes, I wear jeans and a simple t-shirt.
I go to an office, so I wear a smart shirt and trousers.
Do you leave your house early?
Yes, I leave the house at 8:30 a.m.
How do you go to work? Do you drive a car?
No, I do not drive. I take the bus.
Is the bus crowded in the morning?
Yes, it is often very crowded.
That sounds difficult.
It is okay. I listen to music or a podcast on the bus.
That is a good way to pass the time.
Yes, it makes the trip feel short.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m. too, at my desk at home.
So we both start at the same time.
Yes, but I do not have a travel time.
You are lucky. Travel takes me 30 minutes.
30 minutes is not too bad.
That is true. Some people travel for 1 hour.
Yes, that is very long.
At work, I sit at my computer all morning.
Do you take any breaks?
Yes, I take a short break at 11 a.m.
What do you do during your break?
I stand up, stretch my legs, and walk around.
That is very important. Sitting for too long is not good.
I agree. Then, at 1 p.m., I eat lunch.
Where do you eat lunch?
Sometimes I eat at a small cafe near my office.
What do you like to order?
I like to order a chicken sandwich or a salad.
That sounds fresh and healthy.
Yes, sometimes I bring food from home too.
Bringing food from home saves money.
Exactly. It is a good daily routine habit.
For my lunch, I make a quick salad at home.
Do you eat alone or with family?
I eat lunch alone because my family is at school and work.
I see. Is it lonely?
No, I like the quiet time. I read a book while I eat.
That sounds very relaxing.
Yes, it helps my brain rest before the afternoon work.
What time do you finish work in the afternoon?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish at 5 p.m. too.
What do you do right after work?
I take the bus back home.
Is the bus crowded in the evening too?
Yes, everyone is going home at 5 p.m.
Of course, that is the rush hour.
Yes, rush hour is a good English phrase.
It means the time when roads and buses are very busy.
Exactly. Everyone is rushing to get home.
When you get home, what is the first thing you do?
I take off my shoes and I change my clothes.
Changing into comfortable clothes feels so good.
Yes, it means work time is finished and relaxation time is here.
I agree. For me, after 5 p.m., I go for a walk.
Oh, where do you walk?
I walk in a beautiful park near my house.
That sounds fun. How long do you walk?
I walk for about 45 minutes.
Walking is excellent exercise.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind after a long day of work.
Do you walk alone or with a friend?
Sometimes I walk with my neighbor, and sometimes I walk alone.
Both options are very nice.
Yes, when I come back home, it is time for dinner.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
That is a standard time. Who cooks dinner at your house?
I usually cook dinner. I enjoy cooking.
Wow, you cook every day?
Yes, almost every day. It is part of my evening routine.
What do you like to cook for dinner?
I like to cook rice, vegetables, and chicken or fish.
That sounds like a complete meal.
It is simple but healthy. What about you, Ryan? What is your dinner routine?
I usually eat dinner at 7:30 p.m.
Do you cook too?
No, I am not a good cook. My wife cooks dinner.
Oh, that is nice. You are lucky.
Yes, she is a wonderful cook. She makes amazing pasta.
Pasta is delicious. Do you help her in the kitchen?
Yes, I wash the dishes after dinner.
That is fair. One person cooks and one person cleans.
Yes, it is a good team routine.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, my wife and I sit on the sofa.
Do you watch TV or talk?
We usually watch a movie or a television show.
That sounds cozy. What kind of shows do you like?
We like comedy shows. We like to laugh in the evening.
Laughing is the best way to end a busy day.
I agree completely. What do you do after dinner, Sophia?
After dinner, I spend time with my family. We talk about our day.
That is beautiful. It is good to talk together.
Yes, then I like to drink a cup of warm chamomile tea.
Chamomile tea is excellent for sleep.
Yes, it relaxes my body.
Do you read any books before bed?
Yes, I always read for 15 minutes in bed.
Reading in bed makes me very sleepy.
Me too. That is why I do it.
What time do you turn off the lights?
I turn off the lights at 10 p.m.
So you sleep for 8 hours.
Yes, 8 hours of sleep is perfect for me.
I sleep at 11 p.m. and wake up at 7:30 a.m., so I get 8.5 hours.
That is a very healthy sleep routine, Ryan.
That is a useful sentence. I get 8 hours of sleep.
Yes, many people use it every day. Let's look at the grammar here.
Great idea. Let's talk about the verbs we use today.
We used many verbs in the present simple tense.
Why do we use the present simple for a daily routine?
Because the present simple is for habits and things we do regularly.
Exactly. For example, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I take the bus.
Let's talk about the third person singular. This is important for beginners.
Yes, when I talk about myself, I say, I wake up at 7:30.
But if I talk about Ryan, I must say, Ryan wakes up at 7:30.
Notice the S at the end of the verb, wakes up.
Let's give another example.
Okay, I eat oatmeal.
Sophia eats oatmeal. We add an S to the verb eat. Great job. Let's talk about an irregular verb we used.
The verb go. For example, I go to work.
In the third person, it becomes goes. Spell it G-O-E-S.
Yes, he goes to the office by bus.
That is a very common mistake for beginners. Remember to say goes.
Now, let's talk about pronunciation tips for routine words.
Yes, let's practice the word breakfast.
Many students say breakfast because of the word break.
But the correct pronunciation sounds like breakfast.
Let's say it together. Breakfast.
Breakfast. It is short and quick.
Another good word is usually. It can be hard to say.
Yes, it has a j sound in the middle. Usually.
Let's say it slowly. Usually.
Usually. I usually drink coffee.
Perfect. Let's explain one more phrase we used. Make the bed.
Make the bed means to put the blankets and pillows in a neat order after you wake up.
Yes, we do not say clean the bed or fix the bed. We say make the bed.
Let's give an example sentence. I make my bed every morning before breakfast.
That is a great example sentence. It is very natural.
Now, we want to hear from our wonderful listeners.
Yes, what about you? What is your daily routine?
What time do you wake up in the morning? Do you wake up early like me or later like Ryan?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your comments.
It is a fantastic way to practice your English writing.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please click the subscribe button. It helps our channel grow so we can make more videos for you.
Today was a lot of fun, Sophia. Talking about routines is very interesting.
I enjoyed our conversation today too, Ryan. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for listening to our podcast today.
You did a wonderful job practicing your English listening today. Keep going.
See you in the next episode with a new interesting topic.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.